Good morning, students. Now we have to solve some example on depending on properties we have to see previously. Let first example is integrate with respect to x, and the example is integration of 1 upon root of 2x plus 3 minus root of 2x minus 3 into dx, and the limit of this integration is 3 to 5. Right, we have to see here our integral term is in present root. By solving this example we have to use the rationalization method, and the rationalizing term is root of 2x plus 3 plus root of 2x minus 3, and multiply this example with rationalizing term. Then our example become integration of 1 upon root of 2x plus 3 minus root of 2x minus 3 into, and rationalizing term means root of 2x plus 3, and another term is here sign is plus root of 2x minus 3. Multiply this term by denominator 2x plus 3 plus root of 2x minus 3 into dx. Then simplify this example, and simplification term is right here limit for the integration. Numerator become 2x plus 3 plus root of 2x minus 3, and denominator is, we know the simplification of these two terms. Here is a plus b, a minus b term. Then simplification of this term is a square minus b square. Therefore, these roots are plus or minus, square and root get cancelled. Our term become 2x plus 3 minus is as it is, and second root is 2x minus 3 into dx. Then imply the minus term on the second. Take the limit 2x plus 3 plus root of 2x minus 3, and denominator become 2x plus 3 minus 2x plus 3 into dx. Minus 2x plus 2x get cancelled, and then that term is, take here limit 3 to 5, 3 to 5. The numerator term is 2x plus 3 plus root of 2x minus 3, and denominator is plus 3 and plus 3. That term is 6 into dx. 1 by 6 is constant. Take outside to the integral, and our integral term become 1 by 6 into integration of root of 2x plus 3 into dx, and the limit of this integration is 3 to 5. Also, second term we have to write here integration of root of 2x minus 3 into dx, and limit is 3 to 5. When this is the composite function, and simplification of this term is, here we have right here term, that is integration of 2x plus 3 raised to 1 by 2 into dx, and this limit is 3 to 5, plus integration of 2x minus 3 into dx, and the exponent term become 1 by 2, and limit is 3 to 5. We know the integration of x raised to n. Integration of x raised to n into dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Yes, this is a composite function. Then when the function is f of ax plus b into dx, when we have to take the integration of this term, our integral term become g of ax plus b upon a plus c. We have to take the coefficient of x to the denominator. Here the value of a is 2. Here the also value of a is 2, and the value of n in first function, that is 1 by 2, and second function is also 1 by 2. Therefore n plus 1 is 3 by 2, and our integral term become integration of 3 to 5 to x plus 3 divided by 2, the value of a, and raised to 3 by 2 into divided by 3 by 2. This is the integration. Therefore, we have to take the integration. Therefore, this sign get cancelled, and the value of integral is 3 to 5. Here we have to write plus second term integration we have to take, that is 2x minus 3 divided by 2, the value of a, and the integration of that exponential term become 3 by 2, and this exponential we have to take the denominator, that is 3 by 2, and the limit of this integration is 3 to 5, and c is the constant for the given integral. Then here numerator to denominator to get cancelled, numerator to denominator to get cancelled, and this is 1 by 3. 1 by 6 is multiple both of these two terms, and then our example become substitute the limit here, and our example become 1 by 6 as it is, and that is 2 into 5 plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3. Yes. And then substitute 3 minus 2 into 3 plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3. First term we have to take plus 2 into 5. Here we have to take 5, yes. 5 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 3 divided by 3. Raised to here we have to take 3 by 2, raised to this term become also 3 by 2, this term is also 3 by 2. Here 5 into 10, 10 minus 3, here also 5 into 10 plus 3. When we have to simplify this term, then 5 into 2, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 minus 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 3, that is 9, 9 raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3. And then simplify the second term, plus sign is here, 1 by 6 is multiple to the second term, then our second term is 5 into 2, 10, 10 minus 3, 7, 7 raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 as it is, minus 3 into 2, 6, 6 minus 3 into 2, 6, 6 minus 3, 3, 3 divided by 3 dash 3, and numerator power is 3 by 2. Then simplify this term. In this term, 3 is common, take outside in bracket, therefore 6 into 3, 1 by 18 as it is, and our this term, that is 13 root 13 minus, we have to simplify this term, that is 13 raised to 3 by 2, yes, then that term is equal to 13 raised to 1 by 2 into 3, and that is root 13 raised to 3, yes, and then that term is root 13 into root 13, and when we simplify the term, root 13 into root 13, 13 root 13, therefore the value of this term is 13 root 13. Also we have to take the second term, and that second term is 9 raised to 3 by 2, that is 9 raised to 1 by 2 into 3 plus 27. Also simplify the term, that is plus, and 7 raised to 3 by 2, simplify this term, that is root 7 raised to 3, that is root 7 into root 7 into root 7, that is 7 root 7. Our term is 7 root 7 minus, simplify the 3 raised to 3 by 2 is equal to 3 raised to 1 by 2 into 3, that is root 3 raised to 3, that is 3 root 3. Write down the second term, 3 root 3, and then simplify the term, substitute all the values and simplify the term. 1 upon 18 into 13 root 13 minus 27 plus 7 root 7 minus 3 root 3 plus c is the value of our integration. The second example, that is integration of x square minus 2 upon x square plus 1 into dx and limit is 0 to 1. Then now we have to see the numerator. Here numerator is x square minus 2 and denominator is x square plus 1. There is relation between a numerator and denominator. Convert numerator in the denominator form. Where numerator is x square minus 2. We have to convert in denominator form, that is x square plus 1 minus 3. Yes, plus 1 minus 3, that term become minus 2 as it is. But we have to write here. Example is x square plus 1 minus 3 upon x square plus 1 into dx, and the limit of this integration is 0 to 1. Taking separate of this term, numerator taking separate because denominator is our x square plus 1, then integration of 0 to 1 x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 into dx minus is as it is. Taking separate integration of 0 to 1 3 upon x square plus 1 into dx. Same term get cancelled and our term is integration of 0 to 1 upon x, that term is integration of 1 into dx minus 3 is constant, taking outside the integration, integral of 1 upon x square plus 1 into dx, and integral is 0 to 1. Then the integration of this term is x and the limit is 0 to 1, therefore x and limit is 0 to 1. Minus as it is, we have to know the integration of 1 upon x square plus 1, that is tan inverse of x and the limit is 0 to 1. Then our term is substitute upper limit 1 minus lower limit 0 minus 3 as it is, and upper limit is 1 tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0. Substitute all the term. 1 minus 0 is 1 as it is, minus 3 tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4 minus tan inverse 0 is 0. Simplify this term. 1 minus 3 pi by 4 minus 0 is not considering, therefore 4 minus 3 pi divided by 4 is answer of the given example. Write down this example in your notebook.